My name is Eirikur Hrafnsson. I'm the co-founder of Greenqloud, the world's first truly green public compute cloud. I think we're really a new kind of cloud. We're not just focusing on scalability, we're also doing really new things in terms of ease of use. But most importantly, we are the first cloud to exclusively use renewable energy to battle the ongoing and rising energy use of the cloud and the carbon emissions that are coming from that usage. So we already saw back 5 years ago that our industry was putting out 2% of carbon emissions, equal to the aviation industry, and that's set to double in the next 8 years. So we saw an opportunity to fit in that space in cloud computing, and we want to bring compute and storage services to the world with a sustainable backend. So what makes Greenqloud really green are three things. First of all, which is most important, we only source renewable energy. So we have a 100% renewable energy grid behind Greenqloud. It's based on 17% hydropower and 30% geothermal power. It's really unique globally today. And the two other ingredients are using highly efficient servers. We do specialized things to tweak the energy usage of our servers and our data centers. And the third thing is that we actually show you, as a user, we show you exactly how much energy you're using right away in the web console, and we show the emissions that you avoided. So you can actually see, within a couple of hours, you can see the carbon footprint of your application and the avoided carbon footprint of your usage by using Greenqloud. So the interesting thing is that we're on an exponential growth path in terms of data. So right now, the world is storing around 1 zettabyte of data, which you can't even, there's so many zeros in that, it's ridiculous. And that's gonna, according to projections, it's gonna 35-fold in the next 8 years. So the energy demand for that is gonna be exponential as well. Right now, cloud computing is using twice as much energy as the whole of UK, and at least gonna double that energy use in the next 8 years. So big data is really where everything's gonna play out in terms of, is this industry gonna be the worst player in climate change, or is it gonna be the best player in climate change? So things like Hadoop, processing all that and storing all that big data would be the key to a sustainable IT future, I think. And there have been some jokes around that 50% of data will be processed by Hadoop in the next 4 or 5 years. And as an additional kind of fun statistic to have with that, you could probably say that Hadoop has the potential of saving the world. So if you have a sustainable cloud behind that, I think that's where we need to go.